Hi, Cynthia at AQ Lighting, and we're on another project today. Today we're up on our balcony. We actually got robbed, and this is how the intruder came in, was through the balcony. So we are now going to remove that fixture, and which is an original fixture from the 80s, and we're going to replace it with a motion censored LED security light, and it's got flexibility on how to turn the heads, the placement of the heads, so it will definitely be a deterrent going forward from anyone. Tom here is going to remove that lovely, oh wow, you did that quickly.
Well, to remove it's only 2 holding screws. And,
all right.
excuse me.
So we had a lot of feedback that you liked the fact that I was able to install the puck light from Friday, 3D Fixture Friday. So we're going to see that it wasn't just a fluke and see if I can install the security light. Okay. Tell me when.
We're about when.
We're about when.
So
All right.
no, give me that. I'll take over now.
Okay, good.
So, this unit comes with a round mounting plate. The difference between this and what she did on Friday was Friday it really didn't matter which way it went up, just as long as it lined up and everything went into place. Round, there is none. These have to be semi-level on the wall because this is what holds up the fixture. And if you get it crooked, it's not going to look right. So, she's going to do the same thing. She's going to go to the mounting brackets.
Okay.
Now, you want to make sure you
yeah.
put the wire through the center.
Okay.
Again, we have black. And line up where you can line up.
Okay.
There's your screw. Now, this fixture also comes in brown, of course, since that's what I'm showing you. Has a motion sensor detector. Like most motion sensors, it allows you to adjust the beam angle of the motion and the time that it runs. Also has 2 different mounting. You can loosen here.
Is there another screw?
And loosen here. Yep, one more screw right here.
Ah.
Here, why don't you tighten? Let's tighten before you put that one on.
Okay.
Hold it in place and use your screw gun. Put it about where it's going to be perfect and screw that one down. Okay, so by having a double adjustment, you can not only adjust the pitch of it, but by loosening this up, you can turn it. So you get all the adjustments, so you're pointing the light where you want it to point. Well, she's got that without me even telling her what to do.
Hold that for a second.
Okay, you can move the wires out of your way if you need to. There you go.
It's not lining up as easy. Okay.
This one's not being quite as.
Should I
Hold on.
should I loosen this up a
Here,
little
let's
bit?
try this one. I'll give you a little bit longer one. I had a couple to choose from. Let me give you a little bit longer one to get on. See if that works better.
Oh yeah, much better.
Okay.
Tom, I think you sabotaged me at first.
Again, I can't have you look like it's like you don't need me to do these anymore.
Hold on, I have to hold it.
Let me get square on it.
Okay, it's pretty solid.
Okay, good.
Looks like a cricket. Hold on. Let me take.
I got it.
Okay.
I got it. So you can adjust it.
Okay, good. I like that better.
All right. Now
Yeah.
just give it a little.
Yeah,
Give it a little
tweak.
kick. That will make it so it doesn't move anymore. That's it.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah,
Now,
I like that a lot better.
if you remember on Monday, I was
A little
telling.
nerve-wracking.
You remember on Friday we had a fixture that it had a leash basically that you could clip it up if you're installing by yourself. Not all do, But there's a little trick on how to do it. There is a bracket in the back. So I've told her to take the ground wire,
Which is copper.
which is the copper,
So
plain
it's the
copper,
copper wire.
put a little hook on it, and hook that right to that bracket that's on there. And now,
Okay.
that
Okay.
copper wire will hold that fixture up for you so you can wire it. Now you're going to start with the white wire again, and you're going to pull, let's get the black one out of your way, you're going to pull that off, take your wire nut, take the white wire, push the white wire into the wire nut, because it's a braided line, and to the solid core, push it right into the back,
Okay.
and tighten it down, grab both wires and tighten it down till it no longer twists.
I didn't know that's what a wire nut did.
That it actually,
I didn't know that
it's called a nut because it actually twists and
Yeah, I didn't know it
two
did
wires
that.
together.
You can really feel the difference.
Now take the black one. Again, it's a black one. So
Okay.
you want to
So this one
center it
can't-
up.
You have to unscrew it. Okay.
No, put
Now
the
this
wire
one
in. It's
first.
easier if you put that braided line in first, then poke that one all the way up into it, because you're not working with two copper. If you had two solid copper lines, you would twist them together with a pair of pliers. This is a braided, so it's going to wrap itself around.
Yeah.
All by
the
itself.
wire nuts really work. Okay.
Now, you
Okay.
want to take both of those, bend them in half, and push them in the box.
Okay. Bending and pushing. Got it.
All right. Now, you still have a ground to hook up.
Yeah.
So now you want to lift the fixture up,
Okay.
pull it off the ground wire. There you go. Feed it through. You got it.
Okay.
Ah, good job. Now, the wires there will hold this one. It's not a heavy fixture, so you'll do the same thing with it. You'll take the wire nut, push it on,
Oh, okay. I don't. Okay,
Yes,
I can
that'll
let
hold
go.
it.
Okay.
because you pushed them in, bent them sideways. Now, your copper's right here. Again, grab both wires
Okay.
and twist.
Yeah, you can feel the difference when you grab both wires. Okay.
All right. Again, poke that one inside the hole
Okay.
so it doesn't get in your way during install. There you go. Then those,
Now I'm feeling kind of pro now.
those
I
two
feel like
those two studs that are sticking out. Obviously, you want your motion sensor facing down.
Okay, I got one. Okay.
All right. Push it against the wall.
Wow.
Now you take this decorative
Finishing.
nut,
Okay.
and you're going to screw it right on there to hold the unit into place.
Okay, this is awesome. This is really easy to do.
All right. And then push this one in.
Okay, anybody can do this. You guys can have security lights all over the place. You can absolutely do this.
Now,
So where do you want the motion sensor
well,
exactly?
motion sensor, you want it just centered for now. It's a small balcony. Anybody comes up, I got it set at widest point.
Okay.
So if someone comes outside and walks out, it'll pick it up and turn on so I can do it.
It looks
if someone
good.
comes over the railing, I've got them faced about where I want them. Like I said, I can bring them in, tighten them down so they're staying there. Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect installation. Now, because this is a switch, it wasn't power all the time, I've got it on test mode.
Oh!
I'm just going to leave my light switch on. It's a balcony. Don't go out here very often
Oh,
anyway.
because it's going to turn off.
It's
When,
gonna
when
turn
we
off.
leave, it's going to turn off.
Yeah, when the motion stops
Okay.
happening and I take it off of test mode and
Okay,
put it on
great.
regular mode, it will do that. So
That's it?
that's it. You go ahead and do your close thing and I'll pick up the mess.
So thank you for watching. Also watch out for Free Fixture Friday. On Friday, we installed a thin puck. And those who share that video, we're sending you a free fixture. Stay safe and
I believe that was the first 50, and there are a few people we didn't fill up 50 yet. So the first 50 that share the video get a free puck.
Okay, clarification. All right, have a great day.